$29 became $750. $50 became $3,000. On June 1st, GitHub Copilot stopped being unlimited, and developers are furious. Developers paid a flat monthly fee for unrestricted access. GitHub replaced that with usage-based token billing, introducing AI credits that drain as you work. Pro is still $10, but that just represents a starting balance. Every complex prompt drains that amount in real time. This rewritten economic contract between an AI provider and its users forces developers to treat their tools as metered utilities. This bar chart shows exactly what the transition looks like in practice. When users checked their new preview bills, power users saw their standard flat fees scale vertically into projected increases of 10 to 50 times their normal rate. TechCrunch and TechTimes documented the immediate fallout, capturing a wave of backlash spreading across developer communities and forums. This circular gauge tracks a 7,000-unit AI credit allotment. One developer on the Pro Plus plan burned through 8% of that quota in just 2 hours. At that burn rate, their complete monthly quota hits zero in under 48 hours. GitHub also completely eliminated the old safety net. In the past, users who hit their limit could fall back to a cheaper model for free. Now, when the credits run dry, the access is governed strictly by what you are willing to pay. The predictability of a developer's budget vanished overnight. A fixed software cost is now a highly volatile live variable. Behind closed doors, GitHub had been absorbing escalating AI inference costs to keep that flat fee alive. According to GitHub's chief product officer, Mario Rodriguez, Copilot evolved from simple text prediction into an agentic platform, running complex multi-step sessions. This digital scale visualizes the severe imbalance in compute weight. A quick chat question and a multi-hour autonomous coding session cost GitHub vastly different amounts of server compute, even though they cost the user the exact same flat fee. GitHub could no longer foot the bill for that massive compute demand, officially ending what TechCrunch called the tool's golden age. The flat fee model was a temporary subsidy designed to capture market share at the direct expense of profitability. There is one vital caveat to this pricing update. Basic code completions and next edit suggestions remain completely free, untouched by the new token meter. The financial penalty is highly targeted. It exclusively hits users running heavy, autonomous workflows with frontier models, leaving traditional manual coders alone. GitHub is drawing a strict line, splitting its user base into two distinct economic classes, the subsidized manual coder and the heavily metered autonomous manager. This shift isn't an isolated update. It is the first major admission that the math behind unlimited AI isn't holding up. For product managers and founders, the Copilot shock serves as a baseline for how other providers will eventually have to price their own inference costs. Technical leaders now face the reality of token economics. Context management and model selection are no longer just engineering footnotes. They are direct, critical budget line items that dictate your product's burn rate. This formula visualizes standard startup unit economics. With autonomous agentic coding, the cost variable aggressively inflates, turning a profitable feature into a loss leader. Any unlimited AI tool operates on a similar subsidy, and those losses are impossible to ignore once the venture-backed math catches up. For teams building on these APIs, the margin for error has disappeared. Every engineering assumption about build versus buy now requires a rigorous audit based on accurate per-token pricing rather than a flat monthly subscription. The all-you-can-eat model for AI coding has reached its limit. From now on, every autonomous action has an exact, unavoidable price.